Welcome to the Instant Smiles training tutorial. Initiate the simulation process by selecting an image from the library, or capture using the iPad camera. Ensure that the image portrays a full face in a wide smiling position. Utilize 2 fingers to zoom in and out the image. Use single finger to scroll the image. To crop the image, zoom or scroll the desired section within the crop outlines. Press the crop button or press next once satisfied with the selection. This takes us to the Smile Area screen, where the smile line is automatically identified. Use the zoom button located at the bottom right of the screen to access the full display. Ensure precision in smile line placement by closely aligning it with the lip contours. Verify that no portion of the teeth remains outside the smile area. Move forward to the next step by pressing the Next button. Precisely position the smile template over the existing teeth by scrolling the template with your finger. The scale function proportionately scales the template. Use the scaling slider to get the best possible fit of the template with respect to the original teeth. Utilize the opacity slider to adjust transparency, aiding in the accurate placement of the template over existing teeth. Templates can be stretched horizontally. The jaw width can be changed to alter the buccal corridor space. The vertical slider can be used to alter the template height. Rotation of the template helps adjust the occlusal plane. Customize the curve of SPI following the lower lip curvature. Navigate through the numerous options of natural teeth libraries. Press the Show All button to select from the comprehensive templates library. You can undo the changes using the Undo Redo buttons. You can also reset all changes using the Reset button. Move forward to the next step by pressing the Next button. Move the whiteness slider to the right to make teeth whiter, or to the left to make teeth yellower. Modify the gum color to achieve the desired tone. Smoothness and shadow can be adjusted for creating realistic simulations. Tap the Preview button to visualize a side-by-side comparison. The simulation can be viewed in portrait or landscape modes by using the Flip option. Use the Switch button to move between static and dynamic views. Export or save the simulations for a seamless sharing experience.